Hey everybody, it's Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today I'm reviewing wine number 10 from my wine advent calendar from Bougie Wines. They're getting harder to open. So let's see what I have here. I have their red blend, which is just a generic red blend. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing the Bougie Wines from California red blend. It is no vintage, and yeah, that's 14.5% alcohol volume. I don't know what else I can really add there. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, screw top +1. Let's take a look at this wine. All right, so from a color standpoint, you are medium purple, no artifacts, no cloudiness. All right, so and another thing I'm gonna note here is I took the picture for this wine, and on the picture it looks like it's ruby. It's very deceptive, and I don't know how to quite color correct for this because when I look at this, I see blue around the rim. In terms of nose, God, why do all of your red wines smell the same? Oh my gosh. Plum, black cherry, blackberry. Then there's also this little bit of vanilla and like clover allspice. It all smells the same. It all smells the same. All your red wines smell the same. They don't taste all the same though. Some are better than others. And let's get to that taste. Out of all of your red wines, this is probably the most imbalanced that I've had. The tannins, medium plus tannins. They're not super chalky. They're just a little bit chalky. The alcohol is well integrated. The body is a full-bodied wine. It actually is a full-bodied wine. The fruit has a nice intensity. It has a medium finish. This is the best of the red wines I've had so far, which their generic red blend wasn't anticipating that. Actually, I normally anticipate that the generic red blends are probably the worst. Not this one. This one actually is quite nice. But how nice is it? Let's go ahead and get to the blick. From a balance standpoint, yeah, you're in balance. You have the right amount of acid, right amount of body, right amount of residual sugar, you're off dry, and everything just plays well together. So I'll give you a full point. Length, medium finish, half a point. Intensity, on the nose, you're medium. On the palate, you're probably medium plus. Gonna go ahead and round down, give you half a point there. And then in terms of complexity, I am getting a lot of different primaries, all the ones I normally smell, but don't necessarily get in all the other wines. And I am getting a good amount of those secondaries, that vanilla and that spiciness that's coming through. And so as a result of me actually being able to taste those things, I'm gonna go ahead and give you another half a point. So in the end, that gives you 2.5 points. I'm gonna give you good. I'll give you good. I don't think there's any reason why not to give you good. I'm not going to give you very good. There's some wines that are way better than this. But, I mean, out of all of these so far, yeah, the red blend doesn't disappoint. Anyway, this is Mr. Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you had the Bougie Wines California Red Blend? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you all again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime.